How to program your Liftmaster wireless keypad. If you own a Liftmaster electric operator, manufactured 1993 to present, follow these instructions. You can program your keypad without any tools simply by having a step stool set up and a clear path to your keypad. Step 1. Locate your Learn button on the back of the electric operator unit. You will have 30 seconds to program your keypad code. Step 2. Press and release the Learn button, and the LED light will become solid above. Step 3. Out of the path of the door, stand at your keypad. Press in a 4 to 6 digit number, followed by pressing the Enter button. Once, twice. You are now complete with programming your wireless Liftmaster keypad.